Dear friends, welcome to Graduate School of Smart Cities, which is a part of Gujarat Technological University, GTU. GTU is the largest university in Western India with students of around 500,000 and a faculty of 18,000 spread over 500 colleges in engineering, pharmacy, MBA and MCA throughout the state. Graduate School is a new initiative of GTU. Government of India has declared 100 smart cities to be developed in next 5 years. And this requires a lot of experience and knowledge. So the graduate school will become a national hub of information, experience and knowledge. This is the purpose of the graduate school. Its other important functions are academic, for which we are offering this e-course, which you are a participant. It is a smart city planning and development in this semester. Next semester, 3 more courses will be added. So total it will be 4 courses. And in future, we may have a diploma in smart cities for a certain number of courses, and whatever course you are taking will be given credit in that diploma if you so desire. The second portion is research. We have already started Smart City Laboratory in Ahmedabad, and it's to be expanded. And I wish to tell you the IBM USA has shown interest in becoming our partner for the very large Smart City Lab to be put up by our graduate school in Gandhinagar in next few years. So with this research, academic and training, we wish to become a very important national resource center for the smart cities. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Dr. Pankaj Rai Patel. I am director at Gujarat Technological University. The urban initiatives in India have first time fallen in line with global development paradigms. Irrespective of Indian priorities being different, there is need to understand these development paradigms. In this context, the smart city concept needs to be looked from different perspectives such as government and institutions, city councils, market agencies, and the most important, the citizens. This perspective will lead towards the final outcomes and aspirations, as well as it will provide a tool to develop city vision. During this course, you will understand global discourse of smart city and its relevance within this context of India's urbanization pattern. Thank you and wish you all the best.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Mitesh, Deputy Director at Gujarat Technological University, India. We are very much fortunate to welcome you as a potential learner of smart cities, planning and development, especially in the Indian context. As you are aware that India holds a very strong cultural and traditional base, having varieties in the form of the Indian ethos, values, heritage, traditional science, natural resources, etc. duly spread through the Indian cities. Looking to the organic structure of Indian cities, the concept of the smart cities is far from being restricted to the application of technologies. This has led to the confusion among urban policy framing as well as institutionalizing that will make the cities smart. This is also because of not having any agreed definition about the smart cities. During this course, you will get the understanding on what would be exactly an Indian smart city like. I wish you all good luck and welcome again to start your journey for understanding and learning the smart cities exactly in the context of Indian.
Hi, I'm Dr. Apurva. I'm Deputy Director at Gujarat Technology University. I welcome you all to the e-course on Smart Cities Planning and Development. This course seeks to advance knowledge on what a smart city is, what are its key dimensions, and how its performance can be evaluated, and what are the goals for practice. It is based on review of literature from academicians and researchers, frameworks of national governments and frameworks of international government initiatives. Thank you and have a good time with GT.
Hello, my name is Kev Darji. I am the Chief Coordinator for the Smart City Planning and Development e-course. Smart city development implies a holistic development with integration of all key dimensions of urbanism, that is economy, infrastructure, environment, governance, quality of life and people. Union government has embarked upon smart city mission along with other key initiatives in each of these dimensions. Policymakers, urban planning professionals, academicians and researchers seeking knowledge in making smart cities need to have an understanding of this interlinkage of all these dimensions and the related programs. This course on smart city planning and development seeks to bridge this knowledge gap. Thank you and wish you all the best.
I am Ms. Darshana Chauhan. I am coordinator for this e-course. My job is to coordinate various activity connected to e-course so that timely and effectively action take place. I welcome you all to Gujarat Technological University. Thank you very much.
Hi guys, myself Padresi Gohind. I am assistant professor at Gujarat Technological University. I am IT coordinator for this smart city course and I am responsible for uploading modules on Moodle e-learning website in timely manner. I welcome you all in this course. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Toral and I am coordinating various activities in Smart Cities Planning and Development courses. In current trend, Smart City will not be possible without the use of Information Communication Technology, that is ICT. Its US Smart City Council says the Smart City uses the ICT to enhance its livability, workability and sustainability. We will study all these dimensions during our courses. Thank you all and welcome to Smart City e-courses at GTU.
Hello, my name is Margam Sudhar. I am working as an assistant professor at Gujarat Technological University. My role in this e-course is to develop and maintain the Moodle-based e-learning platform. We have tried to make the e-learning platform very much user-friendly to provide you a simple and clear view of all activities and resources, including online learning, online assessment and online submission. If you face any difficulty, please let us know. We are committed to improve ourselves and to carry our e-learning platform to higher level of easy accessibility. Thank you for joining us. Wish you all the best.
Hi. The idea of smart city originated in early 2000s in global north, and since then it has traveled to global south. In over a decade since its beginning, there has been many projects on smart city across the globe. The projects which have been planned or implemented are either greenfield projects, retrofitting projects or redevelopment projects. Each city had its own identity and it had very well utilized its competencies. Now the idea of smart cities has come to India. Let's brace ourselves with the preparedness to make our cities smart. In this course, we will introduce various global practices of cities in different categories to give you the right kind of exposure. My name is Vimal. I am the coordinator of Smart Cities Planning and Development e-course. You are going to be in touch with me during the course of your studies. Thank you for being part of our Graduate School of Smart Cities. We wish you a great learning experience at GTU. Have a good day.